Hey there, welcome back to channel. Get ready for Samsung next gen evolution with Galaxy S24 series, and if you are someone who expects some biggest massive change, well, that's not gonna happen on the Galaxy S24 series. You can see Samsung just like Apple didn't identify on the Galaxy S24 series. Galaxy S24 all series come with flat display. The S24 Ultra come with flat display with titanium frame. In the camera department, the phone also comes with 4 cameras in the back. The is still holding the 200 megapixel camera, but this time Samsung using new sensor and another new coming 50 megapixel new telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom and 10 megapixel telephoto lens. And the phone is also come with 10 megapixel selfie camera. Well, Apple will be beast in a benchmark performance with Apple chipset, but upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 series will be beast. It will be used Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor for Galaxy S24 Ultra and also the S24 and S24 Plus, and it's also come with better CPU and GPU performance, and if you get a better gaming experience. So that's pretty much of Galaxy S24 Ultra latest leaks and information. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.